Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to prep the floor grinder. Firstly, you need to install the magnetic grinding plate on the floor grinder. Then, you will install the metal diamond segment pad on the mounting plate. For initial grinding, we will start off with grit 30 metal bond diamond segment. Next, you will set your floor grinder to rotate the mounting plate at a speed of about 800 to 1200 rpm. By observation, the floor grinder is scratching the surface of the floor roughly. As a result, an amount of concrete dust is sighted on the floor. After we have completed the grinding of the concrete floor, we need to check the flatness of the floor with a floor leveler. If the floor is uneven, we are required to repeat the grinding process until the floor flatness is obtained. Once floor flatness is obtained, we will install grit 60 metal bond diamond segment pad on the mounting plate of the grinder. Again, the same process of grinding will be repeated on the concrete floor with metal bond diamond pad grit 60. Now, the floor is ready for the next step. This is Cheng Cheng, Teesin Machinery.